Welcome to Google Sheet Pro. Today we are going to learn how to add strike-through in Google Sheets. So let's get started. Let's suppose I want to add strike-through in cell B1 on text test. There is a shortcut key for this. Press Alt, Shift and 5. You can see that I have added strike-through. Now let's add strike-through to the whole range. Select the range. Press Alt Shift 5. If you want to remove strike through, you have to press again Alt Shift and 5. There is a manual way to add strike through. Just select the range or cell, go to Format, Text, then click on strike through. You can see that I have added strike through. Thanks for watching. If you need any help with Google Sheet, feel free to contact me. Thank you.